Hi, it's Kyle Chester Marsden from Fieldpiece Instruments. Today I would like to share some information with you regarding our SC680 electrical clamp meter. Okay, so did you know that the SC680 has the functionality to measure phase rotation on a three-phase circuit? Performing a phase rotation test can help you quickly identify the correct order of the three-phase cables and how they should be connected to the L1, L2 and L3 of a component such as a three-phase compressor or fan motor. The SC680 guides you through the process, which is to take a reading of all three phases in sequence and gives a final readout of either L123 at the top of the screen to signify a forward rotation test, or it will display L321 to signify a reverse phase rotation test. And so using the SC680 phase rotation test results in a clear visual understanding of which direction the component will turn prior to connection, meaning you can easily avoid incorrect wiring and sometimes even damage to the equipment, thus making your job easier, faster and better. And so thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos.